Have you ever wondered what to do with beef shank? Well, today we're gonna air fry it and it's real easy. So beef shank is actually a very cheap cut of meat and you can get a whole 2 steaks for under $6. So here I put them in a vacuum seal bag and I pour about 1/3 of this marinade in. Now this is an optional step, but it does pull that marinade all the way through the meat. So once it's all vacuum sealed, I just let it sit for about an hour or so before I get it in the air fryer. You're gonna wanna air fry this for about 12 minutes on 400 degrees. And when it's done, that's hot, you're gonna take it out and oh, look at those gorgeous, gorgeous steaks. And they are not overcooked at all. Nice and tender. Delicious.